So have you ever got really dirty seat belt, or it's just doesn't go back up as quick as it should? Chances are it's just dirty and crusty. You just need a really good clean. So this is what you do. First you pull it all the way out, as far as it will go. Once you've got it out as far as it will go, put the clip up there, put a few pegs just to lock it into place up there, like that. Fill up a bucket with hot water. A couple of drops of dish soap wouldn't hurt. Just give it a bit more cleaning powder. So I've left it sitting in there for about an hour. The water's a little bit dirty in there, so I'll get a fresh bucket of just clean warm water without any soap and put it in there for another half an hour, and that'll remove all the soap residue off the belt. And now it's all done. If you've got a rag, just give it a quick dry and then let it out to dry, or if you're lucky enough to have a wet vac, give it a quick wet vac and then let it 100% dry off before letting it roll back in. So I've left it overnight just to dry out. Take off the pegs. And up it comes. A lot faster than what it used to be. The belt's obviously a hell of a lot cleaner than it was before as well. So there you go. Anyway, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll do a few more detailing and restoration jobs on my XR6. Cheers guys.